Polytechnical Mechanical, Thermal, Electrical, and Refrigeration Engineering Company Limited, or Polyco Group, is one of the leading Vietnamese groups in design, manufacturing, installation, consulting, and technical knowledge transfer in the form of turnkey projects. Polyco recently launched a microbrewery that is known as a substantial enhancement and possesses superior attributes in terms of energy savings and labor cost reduction. The equipment of this line is completely made from 304L and 316L stainless steel, imported from Europe with high durability and quality, meet the technical standards of the industry, and will be checked by the KCS team before being put into production. After completing the drawings of the craft beer production line, Polyco's technical team will proceed to manufacture the equipment under the guaranteed standards according to ASME PEP TCVN at the request of customers. The line will be integrated with the automation system with the central controller and Braumat software from Siemens, helping to save maximum human resources. Aside from this, the line is equipped with modern sensors originating in the EU, with high reliability, helping to control parameters such as temperature and pressure accurately and easily. This will create stable batches of beer in terms of quality, ensuring safety and hygiene standards. With a special design, the line system is the perfect assembly of equipment modules to optimize the area used, as well as to ensure easy disassembly and transport to different spaces. In addition, this new design from Polyco can proudly be displayed by a restaurant thanks to its aesthetics. The line not only creates a unique and new look, but also can make a bold impression on a restaurant's customers.
What makes this line different is its high degree of automation, which optimizes the production process and reduces labor costs to operate the equipment, along with the modular design, which makes the construction time shorter and makes it easier to maintain, service, and replace. At the Pilot Craft Beer Factory, we use malt, hops, and yeast imported from Germany, Australia, New Zealand, the Czech Republic, and more. Upon receipt, the malt and hops will be preserved under controlled parameters of temperature and humidity. Brewing capacity at the factory reaches 2,400 liters per day. When all equipment is ready to operate, the malt will be crushed by a 2-axis mill to allow the enzymes to work optimally and to extract the maximum amount of solute present in the malt. Malt, after milling, is transferred to the mash tun and infused with water. This process is also called saccharification. The wort is kept at different temperature ranges for certain enzymes to work to convert starches and protein into sugars and nutrient necessary for fermentation. After finishing saccharification, the liquid mass will be transferred to the lauter tun and begin to filter the sugar solution and wash the residual sugars until the desired concentration is reached. Then, the wort will be transferred to the kettle to add hops. The hops are added at different times to extract and dissolve bitter compounds and aromatic essential oils, the main agents responsible for the bitterness and the characteristic aroma of beer.
Then, the wort will be pumped tangentially to the whirlpool vessel to separate the solids from the solution, then pumped to a plate-type rapid cooler to bring the liquid temperature from 98 degrees Celsius to a temperature suitable for the fermentation process. Glycol refrigerant and hot water will both be recovered for reuse with the aim of saving energy.
Yeast is used in beer production in the liquid and dry form. The yeast consumes sugar from the wort to grow and to excrete ethanol and CO2 and other compounds, which form a solution called green beer. After 7 to 8 days of main fermentation control, when the sugar content in the tank does not decrease anymore, or the reduction is insignificant, the green beer will move to the secondary fermentation stage, where it will mature for about 2 to 3 weeks in the fermentation tank to reduce diacetyl and for flavor stabilization.
The total fermentation time reaches a minimum of 21 days before being transferred to the finishing tank to be stored at 0 degrees Celsius and connected to a cold extraction tap to ensure the beer is in the most perfect state before reaching the hands of customers. Polyco's state-of-the-art microbrewery delivers incredible quality beers and amazing beer tasting spaces.